Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Microsoft has released its newer build, which is Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 25120. So let's discuss its each feature one by one. This feature doesn't include much features, but yet few fixes and two or three features. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, you can download this newest build by directly click over here in the option of download here. It will redirect you to the Microsoft Insider Preview page. From here you need to sign in using your Windows Outlook account, and then you will get the download link to download Windows 11 ISO for this particular build. The second update is with Windows. Microsoft has provided interactive content. What does this mean? It means you will get a search option right onto your desktop, and then you can turn on and turn it off depending upon your requirement. Microsoft has released this feature just to try out in the dev version. All you can do is to right click, choose the option show more options, and here you will find the option to toggle turn off or turn on search volume by choosing the option show search. Even this feature is not available in my build because Microsoft has already said that this particular option is not available in all the Windows Insider updates. You can check right from here. Now the next update is with the fixes that Microsoft has done. Microsoft in this update has improved the overall performance and reliability of the features. Fixed an issue where settings crashes when you try to look at the battery usage graph, and then improve the performance of displaying Wi-Fi network. Next is with the performance page in your task manager, which is causing some text unreadable, is now fixed. And few known bugs are that easy anti-cheat may crash or cause your PC to bug check. So this issue is still persist in Windows 11 Dev Build 25120. So that's all for today, friends. This is all Windows 11 Build 25120. These are the new features in this Windows 11 Build 25120. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.